So, I just wanted to go over real quick. I like the blow duck calls. Okay, that sounds horrible. So, I'm a duck hunter. I like to duck hunt. And I think I'm a pretty good duck caller. So, I'm going to go over basically what my duck calls are and a couple goose calls. These are really old. When I say old, they're, for me, I bought these 19 years ago maybe. So if you're 19 years old, I bought them when you were born. If you're 45, 50, then you probably have some that are just as old. But real quick, I like, and this is the cool thing, I'm pretty sure you can still buy these right here. My favorite brand is HECO. Okay, HECO duck calls are awesome. Rick Dunn makes a great call. I don't know what else to say. And this is a single reed polycarbonate, double reed polycarbonate, and you won't be able to see this, but I don't think you will be able to see this. Maybe you can. I actually scratched. I took a drill and caved out the inside of this roughly, and it gave it a really awesome sound. I messed up like 5 or 6 calls doing this, but this one sounds awesome. So and again, nothing, totally stock, and I really gave this a wicked sound. It's like tornadoed in there. I think it sounds awesome. This is totally stock. It's totally standard. Just a really nice double reed call. If you're not familiar with what double reed means, it literally has 2 reeds in here. You can see that. One shorter than the other one. Okay. So, double reed echo, really nice call. Those two. I'm not going to talk about that one. It's funny, I'm actually missing calls. I didn't realize that on my lanyard. And this is the HECO Boss. This is going to turn out to be an HECO. Because I have some R&Ts and I have some other calls. I have some Winglock calls, duck calls. This is a goose call. I thought they were on my lanyard. They're not. So I got basically all HECOs. We're going to go with the HECO Boss, which I had made for me for competition calling 20 years ago probably. And still to this day you can buy this call at any, like Cabela's, Bass Pro Shops. It's an awesome call. It really is like a super amazing competition duck call. You can see that's a long reed on there too. It says Boss. Super cool looking, silver and black. And this is acrylic, not polycarbonate. This is acrylic sound, so you get a different tone out of that. This is kind of large. It's not specifically, you can see hole-wise, this is talking about holes again. This is kind of large compared to like the regular duck call for a bigger noise, and I haven't run this in a long time. That was horrible. hoping that it didn't cut out. The mic I have on here is not that great, so the high pitch kind of cut it out when I was practicing, but we'll see. Wood duck, and then of course the standard for all the whistles and clicks that widgeons and wood ducks and mallards. And then I usually carry one goose call, and it's either this or the power clucker made by Fred Zink of Avery. I don't know what calls they are anymore. I should, because I work at Cabela's part-time, so I should know these things, but I don't. So this I haven't run in a long time either. This is freaking amazing call. I forget who. It's Rick somebody, not Rick Dunn. I'm pretty sure it's Rick. I apologize. Winglock calls, really, really awesome call. I don't even know if they make this one anymore, but they do exist. Winglock calls. I'm sure I got that right. Oh, Winglock calls. Yep. You can see that there. These are fantastic. It's got a little goose cut out on there. I'm not a good goose caller. I can call them in and kill them, but I'm not like a competition goose caller, so take this for what it's worth. And I'm going to turn away from the mic here, so hopefully you get some of the noise. So it really growls. I hope you can hear this. It really growls if you that like nice wobbly tone to it. So anyway, that's my hunting lanyard. And hopefully I will be using this sometime soon to kill some geese and ducks, and may actually get that on video as well, so that would be good. Alright, if you want to hear more videos or how to blow a duck call, I can do a video on how to blow a duck call. Just let me know. That's how you blow a duck call. See, the video's over. Seriously, if you want to know how to blow a duck call, I can absolutely do that. And I guess that's about it. Have fun. Be good.